today we're gonna review the new Animal Company update. Release a lot of things, especially my new little freaking freaking red. You can't see it in your mirror, but like, look at shiny. Okay, they released a new item. Where is it? Where's the item? There it is. New item is a pinata stick. And you can beat up monsters with it now. No new items except from the gold gun, but that's not really new. And I'm not willing to buy a freaking gold suit because of freaking gun. And you know why there's an update today, weirdly, instead of tomorrow? Because it's Cinco de Mayo, and oh my god, I know that there's piñatas, but oh my goodness. Oh, I jumped over him. I freaking juked him out. Oh, he's OP. What you do is you freaking beat up the llama. And when you hit, it like changes colors when you have a pinata stick. And every tree is rainbow as the skies. I'm beating you up. It's like Attack on Titan. Oh my god. I'm really pouring the money out of this. It's so freaking dark. Wait, before I respawn, look at this freaking... He spawned the angler on my... Bro, he spawned the angler. That angler's gonna taste its own medicine. Ah! It's way stronger than the other sticks. Because it hasn't broke yet, which the others should've. I think it's more of like a melee stick. I remember there's only two. One, not like one here. I killed like half of them. Please be a grenade, please be. No, that's a freaking opposite grenade. Over my freaking head, bro. What? Oh yeah. No. No! Give me something good! No! Don't look at me like that. I heard the freaking guy spawn on me when I killed the freaking chicken piano thing. Pinata. Pinata. Yada. What the freak? If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. He burns the freaking charger. I'm gonna have to get. I'm wanting to farm all these llamas. Oh my, 360. Yo, taste that. Let's see, run away. Yo, eat that. Oh! Let me collect my money. Got money in. Why are you so freaking big, bro?